11 Top Things to Do in Egypt with your Egypt Tour Package. Ever had a dream of becoming an explorer? If that be the case, then Egypt, for sure, should top your list of the must-visit destinations in the world. With exceptional. Although the exhibits have no chronological order whatsoever and the labels hardly offer anything, you won't complain once looking at the glorious collections of Pharaoh Tutankhamun, the mysterious mummies and every nook and cranny filled with fascinating pieces of ancient art and statuary. When it comes to traveling, how can a trip be over without curating some great local finds? Khan al-Khalili is nothing short of a marketplace right out of a book of the Arabian Nights tales. The miscellany of shops most carelessly spread around the little courtyards sell an assortment of items from interesting soap powders and exotic spices to lovely jewelry, perfumes and more. You will find loads of trinkets to take back as souvenirs, from the likes of alabaster pyramids, hookahs, toy camels, beautiful lanterns and so on. Just remember to exercise your best bargaining skills, or better still, take along a local to do it for you. You can also enjoy shisha and good coffee in the cafes located nearby this open bazaar that's fundamentally a medieval mall. When in Egypt, shopping for souvenirs, rather, shopping is never enough. Egypt, with such vast culture and art, of course offers multiple options of good shopping destinations like El Dunya. Conveniently located in central Cairo, the place sells an exceptional range of good value and exquisite selection of local handicrafts. You can find here many wonderful glass and ceramic wares, jewelry and cotton dresses made in Akhmeen, besides a vast range of other amusing trinkets. Postcards illustrated by the cartoonist, Golo is also a great option to buy, while a room entirely dedicated to a variety of books with many on Egypt in languages French and English can be equally enticing. There is no way you can miss out on a local fair to truly get the taste of the roots of any place you are traveling to. Same goes for an Egypt holiday package, which has plenty of appetizing dishes to offer you for a long-lasting lip-smacking affair. When in Egypt, you cannot miss dining out at least once in Sofra. One of the best restaurants in Luxor, Sofra is built in a 1930s house and consists of tastefully decorated private salons and spacious rooftop restaurant. The stylish ambience set with original tile work, lovely antique furniture and ornate chandeliers increases the experience of the yummy Egyptian food. The menu offers a range of authentic dishes, including scrumptious meze and other truly well-prepared traditional Egyptian dishes like flavorful duck and stuffed pigeon. To finish your excellent meal, you can try a shisha or also enjoy sips of freshly squeezed juices or coffee at their terrace cafe. When on a trip to Dahab, you are going to have a very hard time resisting the yummy baked goodies of this famous German patisserie. A caffeine haven in itself, Ralph's German Bakery has raised the bar for good coffee in town and made its name the top choice for breakfast among the locals and the tourists from all over the world visiting Dahab. When here, do not forget to order its irresistible Danish pastries, sourdough bread, caramel donuts and of course, coffee. In fact, let me help you out with the absolutely must-visit attractions, religiously must-eat delicacies and the top die-hard activities to do in Egypt. So, get your planner out, as it is time to make an essential checklist of all the exciting things to do in Egypt that you really can't and should not miss. Located in Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt, Farouz is all you need to make your tongues and stomach tingle with excitement, with its excellent cuisine. The Levantine restaurant takes you on a tempting journey of subtle and delightful flavors of the Middle East. Choose from their extensive menu, one of the many piquant dishes from Watson. Run by the Egyptian Center for Culture and Art, Makan in Cairo is a harmonious space devoted to the Egyptian folk music. If you respect different art forms, then coming to Makan is a must. Do not miss Women's Zar, which is a traditional musical trance and a type of healing ritual. Being quite popular among masses, it is advised that you book in advance. Also, Tuesdays are dedicated to jam session of Egyptian Sudanese music and several other folk music performances. You must have read it in GK books that Nile is the longest river, but now is the time to traverse its length by cruising it. You can opt for one of the two ways, either on a cruise ship or in a traditional Egyptian boat, felucca. However, I must tell you that cruising in the latter is sure to make you feel like Ramses, only a bit modish. But if you are looking to book a full room and wish for air conditioning and a clear pool as well on your voyage, better sign up for a cruise ship. Both the boat options can be easily booked online. If you haven't been living under a rock all your life, then you already know what a long list of fascinating monuments and other sightseeing spots Egypt is blessed with. So, needless to say, your Egypt tour package is going to be one fulfilling and busy vacation hopping from one spectacle to another. The obvious. Talking of Egypt and not visiting the Great Pyramids of Giza is like committing a heinous crime. These pyramids are the hallmark of Egypt and also unarguably the most famous tourist site in the world. With a 4,600-year-old history, these giant masterpieces are the only left wonder of the 7 wonders of the world from the ancient era. Displaying a spectacular sight at sunset, the pyramids are best witnessed riding a camel over a hill overlooking them. Having an extraordinary structure, unbelievable geometry and the veritable mass of the Giza, their sight only leaves us questioning, how were they even built and for what? Amazing and captivating. Luxor, the town situated at the banks of Nile River in Upper Egypt, is the home to the awe-inspiring Karnak Temple along with a gamut of other famous tourist attractions including Valley of the Kings and Memorial Temple of Hatshepsut. Serving as the base of the pharaohs of the New Kingdom, it is the best place to be in Egypt, especially if you want to fill your trip with as many majestic sights of the country as anyone can, in one go. Built over almost 1,500 years, Karnak Temple was the main center of worship for the people of the era and houses the Temple of Ammon, or the earthly home of the local god, at its heart. The colossal pillars, kiosks, obelisks and mesmerizing complex of sanctuaries is definitely going to leave you speechless with their magnificence. If you thought it can't get better than soaking in the glory of the Great Pyramids of Giza, then think again. How about climbing in a pyramid? Saqqara's Step Pyramid of Djoser offers you the golden chance of unleashing your inner Indiana Jones or Lara Croft by letting you climb up its narrow crypts. The pyramid, which is also the oldest megalith of the world, showcases a completely different architecture of pyramids. Saqqara houses an enormous necropolis scattered with huge pyramids, ancient temples and massive tombs where the pharaohs, army generals and sacred animals were sepultured following the rites. Pyramid of Yunus, Tomb of Khagamni and Mastaba of Tea offer stunning views of the intricate decorations inside. The incredibly curated Imhotep Museum located at the site entrance is another spot you cannot miss. Treasure trove of all that drew you to Egypt, the Egyptian Museum does a fantastic task of taking you spinning back to the times when pharaohs ruled the land. With a faded pink exterior but an ironically glittering golden contents on the inside, the Egyptian Museum of Cairo has one of the greatest collections any museum has in the world. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.